Hey guys, it's Brian with Beastride DIY. I'm at Home Depot right now and I'm going to show you some of their 4th of July deals and sales going on right now. Make sure to stick around because I'm going to show you some grill deals and charcoal deals at the end there. So first up, for $199, it's $100 off, is this 6 tool kit from Ryobi. Looks like you're getting the drill and driver kit with the circular saw, reciprocating saw, multi-tool, and LED light. So it's a pretty good deal. You're getting the batteries and charger as well with this. Now Milwaukee has some sales as well for $199. You're getting the M18 Red Lithium 2-pack battery starter kit with charger, and you can get one of these tools. So it looks like the impact driver, wet dry vac, one-handed reciprocating saw, orbital sander, and the multi-tool. And this is another close-up of that, what you get for the $199. Now for $299 with the 18-volt battery starter kit, you're going to get one of these free tools. So these are the more kind of high-level tools, or at least up to $249 of value. I won't read all these tools, but you can see them here. Next up, this is a 4th of July savings deal. You're getting $20 off. And this is an M12 12-volt hex screwdriver kit. Comes with the 2 batteries and charger and the tool. And it looks like it has over 1,000 5-star reviews here. Now next up, we have these different Milwaukee deals here. These are combo kits. This is for $199, you get the 2-tool combo kit with the 2 batteries, charger, and bag. $149, you're getting the hacksaw reciprocating kit. $129, the jigsaw. $129, again, the compact cutoff tool, the 3-inch cutoff tool. 5 3/8 inches, you're getting the circular saw. Red battery pack for $99 and $79 the other pack. For $99, this is the 2-tool combo kit from Ryobi, the 1+ deal. The 1/2-inch drill driver kit for $79 with 2 batteries and charger. Same deal except for a 1/4-inch impact driver kit. 40-piece drill and impact driver kit for $997. And then these here are the black oxide tipped ones. They're not the tipped, they're the black oxide ones. For $17, this is the wire wheel assortment kit if you're going to do some polishing or cleaning. And $159, this is the 4-tool combo kit. So this has the circular saw, LED bag, and then the impact driver, it looks like, in the drill. Right next to it, we have for $149, it's a $40 savings, the 7 1/4-inch compound miter saw. So this says up to 900 cuts. It says 4 1/4 inches, I guess, of cutting depth there. Has a 3-year warranty. Keep in mind though, this is the tool only, so you will need a battery or you will need to purchase the battery separately. This is a 4th of July savings for $109. It's a $30 savings on this 18-volt gauge brad nailer. And it says it's 16 gauge nails. It's a straight finish nailer. It has a 3-year warranty, and it says up to 1,000 nails per charge, so that's pretty good. And this is what it looks like. Buy a battery pack at $99, it's saying, and get the fan for free. They used to have a big fan up there, but it's a job site fan. Now from Husky, this is a 2-shelf utility cart for $112. This is one of their yellow card items with a 2-year limited warranty. And this is showing some of the uses here. It has the wheels on the bottom, of course, and storage for utility lines and ropes. With a purchase of this $99 lithium starter kit, which is the 2 batteries and charger, you can get the wet vac, angle grinder, shear shrubber, or the job site fan for free. Now this is the full list here of the different items you can get for free. It's the sheet sander, jigsaw, multi-tool, reciprocating saw, and then I listed those ones already, but it's up to a $99 value that you can get. Now right behind those, we had for $19 this 1/4-inch drive socket and ratchet set. And for $29, they had the 3/8-inch drive socket set. So this is a 24-piece set here. Comes in a nice little carrying case. For $19, they've got this 10-piece combination wrench set. And it looks like it's got 4.5 to 5 stars as far as the rating. This is what it looks like here in their carrying case. And right next to it, they had the 3-piece folding hex key set for $997. So this is nice if you have an issue with the hex keys falling everywhere. $17.97, the 11-piece accessory set with the extension rods there. That's always helpful. I've got some in my toolbox, but I probably need to get at least 1 or 2 more. This is a 2-in-1 extendable square for $17.97. Has 5 stars from Husky. Was $21, and this is a 6-piece diamond tip magnetic screwdriver set. And this is a close-up of this item here. Nice rubberized handles. And this is a ratcheting tool, or a 4-pack of 12-foot by 1-inch ratcheting tie downs for $9.97. And this is a 110-piece tool set. This would be good for like a gift for someone, or if you have a new apartment or home. Kind of like a little DIY kit. It comes with a hammer, level, wrench, different bits, measuring tape, some scissors, just kind of some kind of standard stuff. You could keep it in a laundry room or something to grab if you need to do a small project. Now this is pretty cool. For $89, it's $10 off, so not crazy, but it's a 50-gallon job site tote. I'm going to open it up for you, but it feels very well built. So take a look in here. It's got this tray that comes out, but it's also very deep and can store quite a bit. I would assume it's pretty heavy when it's filled up, though. It just depends on what you put in it. But I thought that was really neat. For $16, it was $21. This is this 3-in-1 stapler gun, or staple gun combo kit here. And they had some more tie downs next to it. And then for $14.88, they're saying it's a $21 value. It's this 2-pack of 25-foot tape measures. And for $11, they had this ratcheting screwdriver set. So this was pretty neat because it had a little setting on the bottom here. So you didn't have to, it's self-turned inside the actual tool, which is pretty cool. Let me go ahead and see if I can show you. So you can see here that the actual handle turns and it'll catch if you try to turn it the other way. This is what the tape measures look like. They seem pretty sturdy. I mean, it's Husky brand, but it looked pretty nice. This is for $7. This is a folding utility knife. $12.97, the multi-function tool here. It looks like it has a wire cutter, basically a plier as well. Now from Rigid for $79, it's a $10 savings. This is a 28-inch mobile job box. I really like the size of this. It's kind of bigger than your standard 24-inch ones, and it does have wheels, so you can roll it if you need to, because these things get kind of heavy. And this one looked nice. It had the standard tray inside, which can come out or you can replace and put however you like to. But this looked very sturdy, and I do like the design of this here, how you can kind of roll it. The clamps did look very sturdy as well. They didn't look cheap. So that's something I always look at when I look at a toolbox. You can kind of tell the quality by the clasp there. This is another side view of it here. And then right across the aisle was for $179, it was $209. It's this round head pneumatic framing nailer. This is what this looks like here. It looks like a nice heavy duty one. I didn't touch it too much because of this tracker bug there. I touched one at the other store and it started going off, and I was like, I'm not doing anything. This has 799 5-star reviews and a lifetime warranty. So with Rigid, you're getting that lifetime service and part warranty. For $159, you've got this other nailer here. It's a 18-gauge nailer. And you've got this 18-volt digital inflator. This is the tool only. Just keep that in mind, so you will need the battery with this. That's the only downside with that. But this is a 4th of July savings sale for $199. It's their string trimmer. And this is what it looks like here. They've got this one tagged as well. This is the tool only also, so you will need a battery for this. And it says full throttle in 1 second. This says it's a new item for $39.97. This high pressure 18-volt digital inflator. And I'm trying to get a good view of the box here. So it goes up to 160 PSI. This is the tool only as well, but it comes with everything you need other than that as far as hoses and nozzles, which makes sense. This is their special deal as well for $329. It's their 20-inch Ryobi push mower. It does have pretty good ratings. I kind of wish I could just use it and test it out. For $119, this is their 18-volt 1+2 tool combo kit. They're saying this is new. It comes with a charger and a 2-amp lithium battery. And this is what it looks like. Here it is a 10-inch trimmer with 200 CFMs on the blower as far as the speed and how much air it's putting out per minute. And they've got that one tagged. Now for $219, you get this 18-volt 2-tool combo kit. This is the 4-amp lithium battery you're getting with this one, so hence the little higher price, but it's a 13-inch trimmer as well, so you're going to be cutting a little more radius of grass, which is going to save you more time in the long run. And the blower's a little bit stronger as well, putting out 100 mile per hour. So this is saying count all displays. Have y'all seen these before? So I kind of feel bad. I guess the workers now have to count the display items since they're going missing. So from Rigid, this is another deal here. $99, it was $149. Their 18-volt drill driver kit, and then $159, it was $199 with their two-tool combo kit, the drill driver and impact driver. Next up, they have this most powerful kit is the two-tool combo kit, which is the high torque hammer drill and the 4-mode impact driver for $299. It was $379. Now, more in the back of the store, this was $139 for their Paulina single handle spring neck faucet. So this is from Glacier Bay. If you need a deal on faucets, it's like $20 off. Now near the front of the store, this was a deal on their Seagrove 10x12 gazebo for $284. It was about half off here almost. It's a 2-year warranty. I think it's 9 feet tall. It was $499. And now it's $284. There was a clearance on a lot of different patio tables as well, so just keep a lookout if you need something because they had a lot of the smaller tables on clearance. I didn't see a lot of the huge big ones, but if you need like a side table for outside, they had some deals. Now for $99, these are like the cool misting fans. So this is a Ryobi One Whisper. It says it's 44% quieter and 14 feet of misting coverage. So it looks like they just have it over a bucket or something with a hose. And this is Arctic Air Pure Chill. So there's a different kind of design one from a different company, and this one's $39. Now, have any of y'all tried this before? It's garlic, onion, and paprika charcoal. It's $9. It was $14. So I guess it has the charcoal and then the little flavor pieces in there as well. That's interesting. And then they had deals on the other charcoals. Well, about $2 off the premium blend of charcoal.